Oh, good morning. This is Wednesday, 24th January, and we are at Naha City, Makio Hotel, Okinawa. And Mr. Lam is, after having enjoyed his breakfast and also did his morning routine, is now enjoying the bird's eye view of the city.
This part, only part of the city.
Yes.
This part of the city is nearer the airport.
Yeah, no need to slang. Okay, why don't you say a few words in Japanese?
Hey, from far, I see there's another station. I think that is.
I suggest that you speak in Japanese.
Sokowa.
Sokowa.
What's that? What station?
What's that? What station? Oh, goodness. Why are you stuck with words?
No,
Still haven't gotten over what happened yesterday.
The name of the station.
Okay.
Kokowa monorail.
Kokowa monorail. Eki desu. I forget.
Yeah.
Not too bad now. Good morning. Hi, yes, yes. Hello.
Hello. Yes. And today is Wednesday,
24th
of
yes.
January, and we have just arrived at Orion Motobu Resort
Wonderful.
after a almost 2.5 hour of bus ride from Naha area.
Do you mind telling us how expensive is this hotel?
This hotel will be about 300 over per night.
Per night.
Anyway.
But you said it's cheaper this evening.
200 over, tomorrow 400 over, 300 over.
Wow, fantastic.
Okay. Anyway, you look at this room, okay? And
Yes.
best of
Why don't you open up and let's go out?
Okay.
Go out
here you
and
are.
take some view. Yes.
All right, man.
Are we able to go out?
Of course. Otherwise, what's what
Kai.
there for? Okay.
Kai.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'll be Okay. One more. I think. One more. Okay. It must be here lah. Yeah.
Kai.
It's all locked.
Oh.
You just locked it.
Oh, you see Kai over there.
You just
huh?
locked it. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, this is nice. We don't need aircon.
Okay, now you can see where the aquarium is.
Where?
There, over there.
The white.
People are milling around. So from here, this road, they can just walk.
Wow, that's so simple.
Yes.
Very good. So straight after breakfast
Yeah.
and after our routine.
Yes.
Wow, look at this. This is like exactly like what we see at the.
Cannot be used. Cannot be used. Yeah.
No, too cold, I think.
But that cannot be.
Hey Lam, do you know that this is exactly like what we see in those discovery pictures? All this,
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Tour. Huh?
Yeah, very nice, right?
Very nice, you know, the view.
Yeah, let me keep holding this.
This is really nice. Hello. Maybe because of now.
夜がまた来る思い出連れて俺を泣かせに足音もなく何を今さら旅の明かりが遠く れ流れて過ぎてゆくのさ夜風のように恋に来たら楽しいからどうせ死ぬまで一人一人ぼっちさあと振り向きゃ心細いよそれでなくとも遥かな旅路いつになったら消える日があろう今日も旅ゆく